Hi, thank you for listening in today. My name is Daniela Enrique-Kessen. I'm a holistic practitioner specialized in psychotherapy, kinesiology, nutrition, and I'm also an energy worker. Today, I would love to share my years of experience with the blood group diet with you. This approach to nutrition is perfect for you if you wish to rev up your metabolism, if you aim to enhance your immunity, balance your mood, and reduce inflammation. Say goodbye to bloating and constipation for good. Seek to shed a few pounds. Desire to improve your appearance, enhance your skin, and beautify your connecting tissue. Wish to build up the quality of sleep. Aim to boost your energy levels, vitality, and even turn back the biological clock. If you relate to these goals, Dr. D'Adamo's blood type diet is perfect fit for you. Join me on this exciting journey to better health and well-being. The blood type diet sets itself apart from other dietary approaches for several compelling reasons. It doesn't generalize and customize all individuals into a one-size-fit concept. This diet acknowledges that our bodies absorb and process nutrition from certain food differently, which can vary significantly based on a blood type and ethnic background. A key concept here is lectins, because they play a crucial role in our nutrition. So what are lectins? Lectins are proteins or glycoproteins found in many of our foods. What makes them interesting in their ability to bind specific carbohydrate molecules on cell surfaces? It's important to know that our bodies are made up of an incredible 30 to 40 trillion cells. Therefore, understanding how lectins can be influenced by our diet and their impact on our bodies is crucial. Lectins have different jobs in nature, but basically, they serve to connect organisms with their environment. In other words, lectins attach themselves to our cell surface, specifically with certain bacteria and viruses on mucous membrane cells, such as those in our intestines or mucosa, skin, uterus, to just name a few. This collection of microorganisms is also known as the microbiome. In simple terms, the lectins we get from our food, whether they are good or bad, affect how our cells work and decide if we stay healthy or start feeling unwell. Therefore, the human microbiome plays an important role in health and well-being. It contributes to food digestion, produces vitamins, and protects against pathogens. Furthermore, it influences the immune system, metabolism, mood, and behavior. The microbiome is a dynamic system that changes throughout life. Factors such as diet, the environment, antibiotics, and genetics can influence the composition and function of the microbiome. An imbalance in the microbiome, known as dysbiosis, has been linked to various health problems, including digestion disorders, inflammation, and even mental illnesses. How do our blood types connect with the food we eat and its lectins? To get this, let's explore the story of our early human ancestors. The very first Homo sapiens, our ancient family, started in Africa around 200 to 300,000 years ago. Their way of life primarily involved hunting and gathering. They were nomadic and survived by hunting animals and collecting plants and fruits. This was a time when human civilization was just beginning to develop. The predominant blood type among these early Homo sapiens was blood type O, which is sometimes called the hunting blood type. Over a time, around 70 to 100,000 years ago, there was a migration of Homo sapiens from Africa towards Europe and Arabia. During this migration, different subgroups of Homo sapiens developed, adapting to many environmental conditions and resources. Our European group discovered that the need of energy-intensive hunting was no longer necessary, as a lot of food was available from trees, bushes, and/or from the soil. This makes the origin story of blood type A. Primarily, this blood type is associated with a vegetarian diet. People with type A blood tend to eat very little or no meat, limit their dairy, and eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and legumes, while avoiding most grains. Blood type B individuals are more inclined towards meat consumption, tolerate dairy products well, but should avoid chicken, corn, lentils, wheat, and sesame. It is the third youngest blood type, and it's found in countries such as India, Pakistan, Japan, China, Korea, and parts of Northeast Africa. The youngest of the four blood types and rarest is AB. Its origin lies in the Himalaya region. Today, it can also be found in Northwest Europe, such as Norway, Denmark, and Iceland. It accounts for less than 5% of the population. Blood type AB is the only blood type whose existence is attributed to mixing rather than evolution and environment. As a result, they share both the advantage and challenges of blood types A and B equally. Our bodies have a natural reaction with the lectins in our food based on our genetics. It's fascinating that even in the 21st century, our immune and digestive system still prefer the food our ancestors with the same blood type ate. When we eat foods containing incompatible lectins that don't align with our blood type antigenes, these bad lectins tend to target specific organs or systems in our body, such as the kidney, liver, intestines, or stomach. There, they interact with tissues and can cause damage. What happens when we consume lectins that don't match to our blood type? The unsuitable lectin proteins in our body causes cells and tissue to stick together, a phenomenon known as agglutination. Particularly affected are the cells of the immune system, the intestine, and blood tissues. Let's say a blood type A person eats chickpeas or hummus. Usually all foods are digested in the stomach through the process of acid hydrolysis. However, people with blood type A doesn't tolerate chickpea lectins at all. As a result, the lectin protein remains undigested and intact, making its way through metabolic processes unhindered, reaching the cell of the stomach, intestine, or mucous membranes, where the drama begins. It interacts with the cells and makes them stick together, which can cause problems like inflammation, fatigue, concentration problems, a leaky gut, or it blocks blood flow to the kidney, and more over time. Lectins can also act like pseudo-hormones. They stick to hormone receptors and can either stop the hormone from working normally or make the hormone receptor stay active all the time. This can lead to issues like thyroid problem, diabetes, or just feeling depressed. Allow me to share a brief but true story highlighted the danger of lectins. Perhaps you have heard about the curious case of Georgy Markov in 1978 on a London street. Markov was killed by someone from the Soviet KGB while he was waiting for a bus. At first, the doctors couldn't figure out why he died. But after a detailed autopsy, they found a tiny gold pellet in Markov's leg. It was discovered that this pellet had a poison called ricin from castor beans, which has the harmful and toxic lectin in it. Ricin is so incredibly effective at causing red blood cells to clump together that even a tiny amount can rapidly lead to their aggregation, resulting in arterial blockage and immediate death. An extreme example perhaps, but I trust you understand now how crucial it is to follow a diet that matches your blood type. And it can have a big impact on your health, well-being, vitality, and energy. The benefit of a blood type appropriate diet include Better digestion. This helps your body absorb nutrients well and lowers the chances of stomach issues. Faster metabolism, no more bloating or tummy troubles, regular and healthy trips to the bathrooms. No gut inflammation, which boosts your immune system. Weight loss, hormonal stability and balance, more energy and vitality, as well as a better sleep quality. So what's the next step? Are you curious about a list of foods specifically recommended for your blood type? Do you want to learn more about the unique strengths and potential weaknesses of your blood type, as well as explore associated health aspects? Are you interested in discovering which sports and fitness program suits you best? After all, we are all unique, and this extends to how we should engage in physical activities too. Intensive jogging may not be optimal for everyone, nor long meditations. There are blood types for which such activities are less suitable. If you are eager to elevate your health and vitality to the next level, I warmly invite you to get in touch with me. Together, we can develop a customized nutrition plan tailored to your blood type and to your individual blood analysis. Your health is important to me, and I'm here to assist you in achieving your goals. Let's embark on the journey to a healthier and more vibrant you. To get started, please send me your email with your full name, date of birth, and the blood type. After that, you will have a free 20-minute online consultation with me. We will discuss which foods works best for you and which one don't, going from the most compatible to the least. In my 12 years of clinical experience, I have achieved remarkable results with the blood type diet. I have seen significant improvements, especially in kids with autism or ADHD, those with leaky gut, individuals with Crohn's diseases, people with skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, and those struggling with burnout. I've been following the blood diet since 2009. Whenever I add food that aren't suitable for my blood type, I feel uncomfortable for a day or two, with symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, sleep troubles, mood swings, and stomach cramps. I want to stress this. Don't just believe me. Try it for yourself. The blood type diet isn't a quick fix. It's more about lasting changes in your lifestyle and eating habits, because lectins and your blood type don't change over your lifetime. I'm looking forward to joining you on this journey. Get in touch with me and we can move one step closer to your goals, guiding you toward a happier and healthier life. Thank you for listening to me today. Take care, be kind to yourself, and trust the process.